Got a video that needs a cleaner and higher quality look? Here's how to upscale and enhance your footage using Adobe Firefly. Go to firefly.adobe.com and open the Generate Video section. Next, switch to the Edit tab and open the Upscale tool. Now upload the video you want to improve using drag and drop, or click Browse to upload your file manually. You can upload files directly from your device or from Adobe Cloud Storage. Before generating the final result, choose whether you want to optimize for speed or for quality. Then select your enhancement mode. Precise keeps the original look of your video while enhancing existing details more naturally. Creative takes more creative liberties when rebuilding textures and adding enhanced detail to the footage. Next, choose your output resolution. You can upscale your video to Full HD or all the way up to 4K resolution, depending on your project. Once everything is ready, click Generate and wait for Adobe Firefly to process your video. This works especially well for compressed clips, social media videos, or footage that needs a cleaner and sharper look. And just like that, you've enhanced your video quality directly inside Adobe Firefly in only a few clicks.